In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and insert drawings into your Google Docs, turning plain text documents into something visually engaging and easier to understand. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Docs. You'll want to log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be at the main dashboard where you can see all your Google Docs files. To start a fresh document, look for the big plus button labeled blank and click on it. This will create a new document where we can begin our creative process. Now, let's focus on the drawing feature, which offers a nifty way to include diagrams, illustrations, or annotations in your document. At the top of your screen, you'll see a menu bar. Click on Insert to open up a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find various options for adding different types of content. Next, navigate down to the drawing option. Hover over it and a side menu will appear. Click on plus new, which will open up a pop-up drawing canvas on your screen. This canvas is your blank slate, and you'll notice a toolbar at the top of the canvas. This includes options to add shapes, lines, arrows, text boxes, and even scribbles for freehand drawing. Feel free to explore these. They provide a great way to convey your ideas visually. If you want to draw freehand, click on the line drop-down from the toolbar and select Scribble. Then click and drag your mouse across the canvas to create your custom lines or doodles. Once you're satisfied with your creation, you can personalize it further. The toolbar allows you to change line color and thickness, adjust the fill color for any shapes, and even choose different fonts if you've added text boxes. Additionally, you can use the handles around each object to resize them, ensuring everything fits perfectly and looks just the way you want. When you are happy with your drawing, don't forget to click on Save and Close. Doing this will automatically insert the drawing into your document at the location of your cursor. If at any point you feel the need to make changes to your drawing, simply click on the drawing within your document. You'll see an option to edit, which takes you back to the editing canvas to tweak your illustration. That's it. Now you know how to add custom drawings to your Google Docs. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your document, but also makes them more informative and engaging. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy experimenting with this creative feature.